am going to show you how to do a compression test on a 1977 Honda CJ360. The tools you will be needing are a compression gauge, a spark plug socket, and a ratchet. An 18mm socket and a small extension are optional if you decide to remove the gas tank for easier access to the spark plugs. All tools are easily available at Canadian Tire. You can also grab another person to help you out if you would like. Now, to start the compression test, a good thing to do is warm the engine up. If your vehicle can start, let the engine run for a couple minutes to warm it up. This engine here can't start yet, so I will do the test cold. Now make sure the battery is disconnected and you can remove the gas tank if you decide. Next, you have to pull both the spark plug boots off, and then remove the spark plugs using the ratchet and the spark plug socket. Be careful handling the spark plugs if the engine is still hot, as they could also be hot. Now, of the cylinder you want to check, screw the compression gauge in the spark plug hole. Keeping the ignition off and holding the throttle open, have your other person kick the motor over. Not literally kicking over the bike. Try starting it. Note the gauge reading, write it down somewhere, and then repeat this process at the next spark plug hole. Check to see if the reading of each cylinder is good for the engine. Anywhere above 100 psi would be healthy compression. Anything below would not. I hope this helps you out the next time you need to do a compression test. Thanks for watching.